What's up, guys? It's a beautiful Sunday here in Cradlestone. Today we're shooting a video, 3 videos actually. We've got a 2JZ Supra, RS3 and an ST. The power figures you'll see in the videos. But yeah guys, as you can see, it's a beautiful day in South Africa. Let's get it. Crazy 300 kilowatt ST. Jeez,
Be sure to stay tuned to the end of the video to see Mike's insane reactions to the 300 kilowatt beast.
What's going on, guys? Welcome back to MK Madness. I'm sat next to Leo in his crazy 300 kilowatt ST. Jeez, like it.
What's up, guys?
The moment I saw this thing, I knew it was gonna be stupid, and I can already feel, guys, I haven't shaken in a YouTube video in long, and I can feel my heart is beating. Ooh. Oh my days. That sounds incredible.
Yeah, out of all the cars, this thing turbo flutters the most.
I've never heard a turbo flutter like that in my life.
It's a monster.
Ways. Like a little gun battle going on here. You haven't given it beans yet, but I'm waiting for that moment, and I'm like a bit.
Let me show you the main struggle with this car. It's by far,
trying to hold on to everything.
it's by far traction. So
oh my days. So Leo, what's going on in this thing?
So it started life as a stock ST for 8 years when it was my brother's,
Okay.
or 7 years. I took it over, started more with pure cosmetics, upgraded headlights to RS headlights, tail lights, RS tail lights. We did RS wing, you know, just some nice Sunsport grills, Maxton diffusers.
It looks great. Really looks
And
amazing.
then we slowly started doing some mods.
What I just felt.
Yeah, but not even. We slowly started doing some mods. We started with software. We went with Dream Science, and that was kind of the car with Dream Science software, intake, exhaust. It's got a Multec exhaust on. That was the car for at least 3 years.
So that you kept it like that for about 3 years?
Most it ever downloaded was 206 kilowatts. So I decided to build a motor. We went 0P rods, Vosner pistons. We did 3-bar diesel sleeves on the block, so that the block can handle the boost. We did engine mounts, polyurethane bushings for the suspension. We did LSD. We're on semi-slicks, although third gear just spins.
It just spun out through the gears.
Yeah. But yeah, so the car is built to make 1,000 horsepower, but we have a small hybrid turbo on. It's a FTG 400. It's a syndicate turbo.
1,000 horsepower, you said?
Yeah, motor's built for
1,000
horsepower.
That's
and
strong.
also built for nitrous.
Okay.
We've gapped the rings for nitrous, and so
you did mention the car is already, it's ready for nitrous.
So the car has
to be-
nitrous installed, solenoids, bottle heater. It's a fully stage 2 progressive kit.
You mentioned it's running 1.3 now.
At this point in time, it's spiking 1.3, holding 1.1, 1.2 bar.
Okay.
So it's very mild, very mild.
And you mentioned you want to run it, you want to put it to 2 bar.
Yeah, we want to go 2 bar.
2 bar. With the same turbo.
With the same turbo.
Okay.
2 bar with the same turbo. It's a ball bearing hybrid, courtesy of Syndicate.
Shout out to Syndicate guys.
Syndicate.
We'll drop their link in the description.
We reckon this will be the strongest hybrid in SA. Focus ST. We reckon we will, at 2 bar, we'll see numbers north of 330 kilowatts on Syndicate's dyno, which is very, very accurate.
Oh man,
Look at this road, eh?
this is stunning.
That RS3 can't keep up for nothing, man.
I'm not gonna lie to you, every time you pull off, my breath gets taken out of my
No,
stomach.
look, for a front wheel drive car that is spinning, she goes, eh?
No, she moves like out.
She moves. No, so it's got a clutch type LSD, not your conventional bevel gear. And when she hooks, she goes.
That I can confirm.